In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and reorder cited references within Word document in Zotero. Start by opening your document in Word. With your file ready, look along the ribbon for the Zotero tab. Click it to reveal the Zotero tools you'll use to manage your citations directly in the document. From here, select Add Edit Citation. This opens Zotero's citation interface. If this is the first time you're adding a citation in this document, Word may prompt you to choose a citation style. Pick the style your project or journal requires, such as APA, MLA, or Chicago, and then choose OK. Your choice controls how in-text citations are formatted and how the bibliography is ordered, so select carefully. Next, the citation box appears. You can search here by typing an author name, title, or keyword, or you can browse to your library to find exactly what you need. Select the source you want to cite, and it will be added to the citation. If you need to include multiple sources in one citation, add them one by one in the same box. This is also where you can adjust details like page numbers or prefixes and suffixes when your style supports them, helping you align with quotation or paraphrase requirements. To reorder items within a single multi-source citation, use the same Add Edit Citation box. Arrange the cited works in the sequence you want before confirming. Keep in mind that some styles have rules about order, alphabetical or chronological, so they may automatically adjust once you confirm. When you're satisfied with your selection and order, click Accept. The formatted citation will appear in your document exactly where your cursor was. If later you need to edit that citation, maybe to add another reference, remove one, fix page numbers, or change the order, place your cursor anywhere inside the existing citation and click Add Edit Citation again. The same dialog opens with your current items so you can quickly make adjustments. When you finish, click Accept to apply the changes. Selecting the right style at the start ensures consistency across your document, and using the Add Edit Citation workflow keeps everything linked to your Zotero library, reducing manual errors. Remember, reordering within a single citation is handled in the citation box, while the bibliography order is determined by the style you chose earlier. With these steps, open Word, go to Zotero, click Add Edit Citation, choose your style, select OK, search or browse your library, and confirm with Accept. You'll be able to cleanly edit and reorder your cited references whenever you need.